Hello and welcome. My name is Yogesh and you are watching Tech Code. So in this video we will see how to download and install Python 3.8.5. So let's move to the browser. Go to the Google Chrome and we will type here Python. This Python will move you to the python.org website. So this is the Python's website. Here in the download section, come to the below Windows option and click on this Windows. So you will get the Python for Windows. So here are the releases, Python releases for Windows. There are two versions, Python 3 and Python 2. For Python 3 version, the latest Python 3 release is Python 3.8.5, and for the Python 2 release is Python 2.7.18. So we will be downloading and installing Python 3. So we will click on this link Python 3.8.5. If anybody wants to install Python 2 on their machine, they can use the below link. We will click on the first link, that is Python 3.8.5. So it will give you the detailed information about the release Python 3.8.5. So the page is opened here, Python 3.8.5. The release date is 20 July 2020. So this is the fifth maintenance release of Python 3.8. So the 3.8 is the version and the fifth release, that's why Python 3.8.5. The major new features of 3.8 series compared to 3.7 are given here. So this is not important right now, so you can read it out later on. We will move to the installation. First we need to download the file. So here are the files are given. Here are the versions and operating system description, md5 sum, and file size gpg is given. So here we need to first check what the system requirement. So first you should check with your system that which type of operating system is installed on and which type of processor is there. So here in my machine we are seeing x64 based processor is this, so 64-bit operating system is installed. So it means I need to take or download the version which is compatible with the 64x based processor. So we will go to the our browser. Yeah, here let's see if Windows x86 64 bit OS. For 64-bit Windows there are these three options: embedded zip file, executable installer, and web based installer. If anyone having the connectivity problem, they can download this executable installer and then they can double click on the executable file and it will be installed. We will go with this installer, that is Windows x86 64-bit web based installer. We will click on this. So it will download a file, a installer file. So now we will click on this installer file. It will ask us to, do you want to run this file? Yes, we want to run this file, so we will click on this run. Yes, it will open a new window which will be installing the Python. So install Python 3.8.5, that is a 64-bit bit version. Here are the options, that is to select install now to install Python with default setting, or choose customize to enable or disable the setting, disable the features. So we are not going to customize the installation. We will click on this install now button, so it will install Python 3.8.5 in our machine. So we'll click on. Okay, we have clicked on the install now. So it is installing the setup for the Python 3.8.5 development libraries and executable files and all. You just need to click on the install now button and it will install all the files required for the setup in your machine. So up till this will install, it will take 1 or 2 minutes. So we will see the some more about the Python. So Python is a powerful and fast, plays well with others, run everywhere, is friendly and easy to learn, and is open. So you can read out some more things about the Python here. This open source is the greatest benefit. The applications, some of the applications are given here. You can read it out later. It is friendly and easy to learn. So we will create some tutorials for the in the next parts. So there, I can tell you, I can teach you the different methods. Okay, so we are finishing with the sun installation here. The setup will complete within a minute. It will not take more than a minute. Currently, Python developers are more in demand. So if anybody wants to learn the Python, they can learn. This is the right time. This is the 2020, uh, August 2020, and we know that definitely for sure after in the January 2021, after Corona effect, Corona pandemic, there will be greater opportunities for the Python developer. So here the setup is successful. So this message is here. We have installed Python 3.8.5 in our machine. So we'll close this. Okay. Okay. So we have installed Python 3.8.5 in our system. Now what we will do, we will create a folder. We will create a folder in our drive, and we will write a Python program. Okay. So here I'm creating a new folder. New folder will be created here. We'll give a name as Python ex exercise. Okay, Python exercise folder is here, and here we will run. We will open this folder Python exercise in our Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code here, open folder in a D drive. A folder created is a Python exercise, right? So Python exercise is the folder. Select folder. Yeah. Okay. So our folder will be opened in the Visual Studio Code. Here we will create one file with the name hello.py. Okay. Create file. So hello.py file is created here. I will just explain you a simple variable assignment in a Python, how to assign a variable, and how to assign a value to a variable and then print that variable. This is simple. So we will take one variable. Let me close this. Yeah. So hello. Okay, this is Python getting started file was open. Hello.py. So we will take a variable as name, and we'll assign a value to it as a text code. Okay, so the text code value is assigned to the variable name. Now we will display the variable value by using the function print, and will give the variable name here. So what it will do, it will take the value from the variable name, which is text code, and it will print the value. Okay, we need to save this. We have saved our program. So terminal, we will open the terminal here in a VS Code, we are in the right path. So to run this Python program, you need to write Python and then your program name, that is hello.py. So if we press enter, it will display the variable value, that is take code. Thank you friends. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.